Good morning, it's Chris Lingenfelter from Robot Advisors, and we're here at PAC Expo in Las Vegas for day 2. So we learned that there is nearly 1 million square feet here of 2,300 exhibitors. It's our job at Robot Advisors to find the most interesting new technology for your warehouse and distribution center operations. So let's have some fun today and let's go find some interesting technology. So we're here in the South Hall, booth 8083 with OTTO, and I'm joined again by Dave Northrop, who was at ProMat in Chicago with us.
That's right.
Thanks for joining us again. Good to see you.
Thank you. So today we're really excited because we're launching a brand new robot in our deck load AMR class. So we're expanding the middle ground.
Okay.
Where at the show you're discussing, we launched the OTTO 600 kilogram capacity deck load AMR. We're expanding that now with the OTTO 1200. So a 1200 kilogram capacity deck load AMR to really fill that middle gap we have now between our small and our biggest platform. Like I said, we do have the deck load vehicles, but we also have the what we call OTTO lifter. So it's a forklift vehicle that can interface directly with pallet payloads on the floor or on lifts and stands as we're showcasing. So we can natively pick up CHEP, GMA, and Pico pallets up to 1,200 kilograms with this platform. We just recently upgraded the OTTO lifter here, as you can see, with autonomous recharging capability. So now we have two choices. You can have manual charging and a lead acid battery that you can manually swap out.
Yep.
Or a lithium battery like we showcase here.
Awesome. All right. Well, hey, I really appreciate your time as always. Good luck with the rest of the show and enjoy your time here in Vegas.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
So we're here in the North Hall in Zebra's booth, N9703, and I'm joined by Matt Wicks, who is Senior Director of Robotics. All right, Matt, so tell me, what do we have here?
So this is our OEM base, and one of our partners, ApeTech, has actually built an RFID scanning system on top of our OEM base. So the base itself actually handles all of the maneuvering in the warehouse, the mapping, all of the features, all of the areas that the robot moves in. And then ApeTech has developed a really interesting RFID scanning system on there for doing inventory management. So this is our Cart Connect robot. So this is our cart. We can use these carts to transport material throughout the warehouse and the manufacturing environment. So the robot over here actually is the one that picks up this cart and moves it throughout the facility.
Well, Matt, clearly Zebra's off to a lot with the acquisition of Fetch and all the different things that you guys are doing here. Zebra's been known in the warehouse for 20 or 30 years. What? All right. But anyway, I want to thank you for spending time talking to us, and good luck here in Las Vegas with your show.
I appreciate it.
All right, Matt. Thank you. Take care. So, Krishna, I'm glad to bump into you here at PAC Expo. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too, Chris. Been a long time.
Yeah. So you're here primarily to find folks that are interested in Rapyuta for their warehouse or partnerships. What brings you to Las Vegas?
It's a mix of both. So primarily, Rapyuta Robotics deals with warehouses and picking robots for warehouses.
Yep.
So that's one aspect of me coming to Vegas. But the other one is also finding partners for our partnership program, where we can go and bring value to both the entities in the partnership.
I know you're dominating the market in Japan,
Mm-hmm.
but I think you have a couple of recent new customer additions.
Oh yes. So we've been on a roll in the US. I think the initial success has been great. It has been positive, and that's propelling us to actually invest more in this market and build a team, build capabilities.
Well, Krishna, it's good to bump into you here. Good luck, and
Thank you.
We'll see you again soon.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so we're here in the North Hall in booth 10130, and Dan Cuellar from Tompkins Robotics is going to tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing at Tompkins.
So at Tompkins, we're offering this robotic sortation. So think of it as a foot wall where we're inducting. Could be up to 1,000 pieces an hour. So it could be the initial sort for e-commerce, retail, store replenishment, or parts. So we do everything from pharmaceuticals to medical equipment, or even food.
And you guys have recently introduced a mobile autonomous collaborative picking robot. Can we take a look at that?
Yeah. We'll direct the operator to a certain location. We have different type of racks that we'll put on there based on what type of product it is. But you could put as many orders as you can reach up to. So it's a follow location. It'll ask you what to pick, and you fill the order, and it'll follow you around. So you could start off small and then grow as well. But the idea is that we can get you up and running really quickly.
Excellent. Well, Dan, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thanks for an overview of Tompkins and the T-Sort and Pick Pal.
Great.
So we're here in the North Hall at booth 9922, and I'm joined by these two fine gentlemen from KPI, Dave Stinson and Kyle Smith. Dave's going to tell us a little bit about KPI. A lot of exciting things have gone on with this company.
KPI Solutions just celebrated our 2 years since we came together. KPI is the combination of a couple of legacy companies that have been around for decades. Those companies are Keeker Logistics and Pulse Integration, combined with QC software to form KPI Solutions.
The interesting thing is you're an integrator. You don't make any of the robotic technology or hardware, but you bring it all together with software. So tell us a little bit about your software.
Yeah, we've gone ahead and released what we call our OTTO Suite.
Okay.
That is part of the Connect platform for the communication warehouse execution system, WES, that lets us bring together all those different robotic providers and kind of orchestrate the communication from system to system and system to person.
So if I were like a large warehouse manual, I have my legacy warehouse management system, and I want to bring in, for example, a pallet moving Peak Plus solution to enjoy the automation benefits and have less labor content, I could use this OTTO platform to connect my WMS to the robots?
Absolutely. Your WMS, your ERP, to both your robotics as well as back to your host.
Well, hey, gentlemen, thanks for your time here in Las Vegas. Enjoy the rest of the show, and thanks for the introduction to KPI and what you guys are up to with the OTTO system.
I appreciate it.
Alrighty.
Thank you.